And now, to finish our project, let's finally write our JavaScript code. Alright? So, first, let's create some const that I will call message, and this will be our window, right? Point our document, and let's use our get element by ID. I really like to use this form, let's say this way, to reference our variables. So, and this element, what this constant is going to do, it's going to be this our ID, right? ID, so get element ID, so our get element ID, right? So let's create another constant I will call imagine, and this will be our window document and get elementary by ID and imagine here. Let's save, and this constant is going to be this part, this part here, right? So let's continue. Let's create a date, const date, that this will just do a new date. Let's create it. I don't know if we will use, actually I think that we won't use this constant. Let's just delete it. But let's create a const time that we will use that. And our date, we will do about, oh sorry. Actually we will use this const date because we needed a date to use the time here, sorry. And we need a time here, and we need a date and get hours, right? Oh, so we need to have a date too. So we need to have a date, right? To have an hour, and let's put all of this inside a function that we'll call a function load, right? Load here, and when our HTML will use this function load, we will sort here in our body. So when our body just load, it will load here. I need to call, let's say that, our function. So when I do that, our site will call our load. Okay, so let's continue. Now what we will do, right? Let's put a message point inner HTML, right? Is now is here time, yes, and hours. So what this command is going to be, this message point inner HTML, this is our accessing this const message. And what is this const message? This is our div. So here is going, so this line will access this div, right? This ID message, and will change this text, okay? So instead here it's going to be here, I will show my message will appear now it's time hours, alright? So here, and let's continue. So if time equals end time less than 12, sorry, 12, what is to do? This is imagine. So let's change, because our intention here is our site change the imagine according to the hour. So if we open, for instance, this site at the morning, the imagine will appear the morning imagine. But if I open this site at afternoon, the site will appear, will show the after imagine. Yes, the after imagine, afternoon imagine. All right. So imagine here and imagine. Let's put our path morning and then morning.pgn. All right. I know that here I am using this GitHub, but just try. Let's try that. Let's kill that, but let's continue and if, right? Time equals 12 and time less than 18 hours. Let's change this one. Not to be morning, it's going to be our afternoon, right? And else, and this is going to be a, let's paste here our night. Images here. Okay, so let's save and let's try later. So I input here a value that our time equals 8. Let's hear. Oh, now it's 8 hours. Really amazing. 8 hours. All right. Okay, so and if I put here so 15. Let's say that, and it's going to load. Now it's 15 hours. It's working, but our imagine are not showing, are not appear here. And let's see why. Okay, here. Let's say due to was writing wrong. Oh yes, yes. Oh, amazing! I really like that. And finally, let's test the final. Now is 21. Let's save that. Amazing. Now it's 21 hours. Okay, so it's working, but let's do another thing. Let's change what our background. Let's just come back here to put, we will change this background color. Look how nice. We can put sorry. To do that, we need to access our document, of course. Document.body, document.body.style, yes, background, and it is color for the morning equals, let's use, I don't know, that color, and for the afternoon let's use that color here. I have already this code, that's why I'm just cutting and sorry, here let's copy here color and here, and let's save that. So let's try with 8 hour. Let's save that. Here is oh amazing, it's working now. 14 16 sorry 16. Oh, it's working. And to finish 22. Oh, so it's working. So for a while we finished that part of the project, okay, but let's do just a little upgrade in this code. And now, just for finish, let's just do a little upgrade in our code. What is going to be this upgrade? Because here, if you see, right, in our code, we are input this value, the time of value, sorry, the value of time, we are inputting here this code, but it's going to be better if anyone input this value, for instance. Okay, so let's just change here, just a little upgrade. And how can you do that? Let's just comment here, comment, let's save that, let's create a const and we call it time input. All right, time input, and this, let's insert a prompt. Yes, and here insert a time. Let's insert a time 0 for 23, and let's save. All right, and this is our input. So now let's create our const time, and this is count is going to be a parse int. It's going to be a int number. Let's do this simple, right? And let's put our time input, right? And our time input. And let's save that. Let's open our code. Oh, here, insert a time. 12. Okay, it's 12. Good, right? So, of course, that we could upgrade this. We can improve more. For instance, if someone insert not a number here, for instance, a, oh, it's unknown hours. So, of course, but this is just to start, all right, and we could improve on this with the time. I just wanted to show you this little project, all right, and I really hope you like that, and please subscribe and the video, and thank you.